Will your pension support your lifestyle? Let's have a look and do some numbers. Let's say you're 50, you want to retire at the age of 60. By the way, this is an app which is free to you. I'll save this video. I'll tell you where in a second. Life expectancy, 85. Let's say you've got 250,000 at the moment. Don't worry if you're in your 40s or 30s and you've got less. We can play around with the numbers in a second. You're contributing 500 a month, annual growth rate 5.5% per annum, inflation at 2.5%, desired monthly withdrawal, £3,000 a month for when you retire. Too much? Well, you can always dial it down. The calculation shows you won't actually have enough. The money will last. There's a 68% probability that the 68% of your retirement period will be covered. So what are you going to do after that? Hope you've got kids who are nice to you. Total growth will be 196. There's the total contributions. You'll end up with 506,000 in 10 years from now. So there's a problem. The money will run out. Okay, let's say that you've got the same ages. What's the biggest difference that can be made? You might think it's increasing your monthly contributions. That's what the wealth managers want you to do because then they earn more fees from you. Maybe retiring later. That's what the wealth managers want you to do because they earn more fees from you. Okay, what if you just increase your growth rate? It's been growing at 5.5% because your wealth manager is pretty rubbish and poor. Let's see how much you need to increase it to just to cover the rest of your years. It's a lot simpler doing that than later. 5.5 to just 6.7, just a little bit more, and that's still well below the average market returns over the long term. Let's go back down to the age of 40, which some of our clients on the Great Investments Program are. And if they're 40, they might at most have maybe 200,000, okay? They're covered as long as they can get that kind of growth. But when they're at 40, they're thinking to themselves, maybe I want to retire a bit sooner in that case, Alpesh. Can I retire at 55? And hey, I'm young, I've worked hard. I want to be spending 5,000 a month, especially if you're in London. Boom, all of a sudden, those numbers don't look so good. What kind of growth are they going to need? Well, let's just keep clicking that up. The growth starts getting a little bit higher. They're going to need about 9%, still below long-term market average, not too bad. Maybe in that case, they could afford to retire at 50. What kind of growth would that take? Oh, okay, we're getting there. That's going to take, to knock off 5 years, we're going to need closer to 11.1%, still below long-term market growth. Are they getting it? Well, at the age of 40, you better get in touch. alpeshpatel.com is where you need to go. What if you've left it a bit late? You're 55, you want to retire maybe in 2 years, and yes, you've got 350,000 in the pot. You're going to contribute until retirement, of course, and you are getting those growth rates, or you think you're going to be able to get those growth rates going forward. You're happy to compromise with a little bit less of a monthly income, keep it at 3,000. Where does that leave you? You're covered. You're okay. But that's with that higher growth rate. You've only got 2 years to go. You don't want to be taking too much in risk. So let's go for a more blended, lower risk, lower volatility portfolio. We could aim for about 8%. Could still be a little bit high at that end. Okay. But if we keep a close eye on it, if the markets continue, so a lot of us continue doing what they're doing, that gives us more room for maneuver. Maybe you take it out 1 more year of retirement. How does that impact the growth required? Well, 1 more year to retirement and you could afford to have slightly lower growth and you're still okay. Okay. Let's say you don't think you'll live to 85. You really should bank to living to at least 85 because we've looked at what typical age groups are and UK and US living standards are what people typically have at your age. That free tool you can play around with, campaignforamillion.com/tools, all completely free, created by me and the team. campaignforamillion.com/tools. You're going to absolutely love it. You'll also see a whole bunch of my free videos on YouTube and on TikTok, where I've got roughly 500,000 followers on each and millions of views and likes as well, and my latest LinkedIn posts. Okay, so campaignforamillion.com/tools. And that's where you will find that wonderful little calculator that I just talked about. Enjoy it. Get in touch with us if you'd like a free pension portfolio review, if you'd like a free course. We've got a ton of free materials, free book, free articles, free videos. Every single way a human can communicate, we communicate with you for free, including free tools, free software, free apps. Have a look.